What's up, guys? I'm now in an extremely cold area and a boundary area with China. Now my hands are freezing. I'm also dropping down the camera and have a look how beautiful it is. There you can see a lot of houses. And, so there you can see the church there. Wow, it's surrounded by several mountains. The water, it's really, crystal clear.
Ketika mungkin kekak legu kerap ngai pun sokong na cendera siang pun tak kaca yang lai không hoa không sa chu kan rai ta lai nào mêใจว่ามีแค่ดำนาลมซ้ำซ้อนผู้นำงามแต่แย่ขมุดอันมาว่าทุสิสับยางากันกามันกาอับปะอันนอหุ่มโซนาเพียงยันแฟชั่นมูนากูนี่ไม่ลูกชานาmoon asit baba si tu si shana kan tit kan put ra krom krom bum so na phayen body na guri
Chinese telecommunication post. Yeah, bye.